Hi everyone, today I am doing iced fairy cakes. That's what they're supposed to look like, but we don't have these little candies on top of the cupcakes, so in the end I'm going to put jelly bellies on instead. I have my cupcake tin and then I'm going to mix all of these ingredients. First, I need 4 ounces of butter. Man, this Mary Berry uses so much butter. It is crazy, like, it's not healthy. This is 4 ounces of castor sugar, 2 eggs, 4 ounces self-raising flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now I'm going to mix it all up with my mixer. Now I have these colorful little cupcake holders and I'm going to put them in here. I am going to put like equal amounts into each cupcake thing. We'll try to get equal amounts. So I have a bit more, so I'm just going to add some to the smaller ones. Now I'm going to put these into the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I am going to keep them in there for 20 minutes. And while that's baking, I will make the icing that goes on top. Okay, so I just finished sifting the confection sugar and I'm going to put it in this bigger bowl. And then I'm going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in here, and then I'm going to blend it, and that's going to be the icing, and it's warm water. Okay, so now I'm going to take them out of the pan so that they can cool. Okay, so now I'm going to put the icing onto the cupcakes, and then I'm going to pick out some jelly bellies that I think would taste good and put it on top, and then everything's going to be left to set. So now I'm going to put 3 jelly bellies on each cupcake, and then it's going to set a little bit more. Okay, so they're done now and they look super fun. And I'm sure you could put whatever kind of candy you want to put on it. I just put Jelly Bellies, because I like Jelly Bellies. And yeah, so now they just need to sit and then I'm going to try one. And then we'll see how good they are. Okay, so this is the one that I picked out to try. I hope it doesn't taste like butter because we used a whole stick because that's what the recipe required. Okay. Here we go. I like the icing. I do taste like the butter in the cupcake, but I think the icing helps. The icing's really good to me. And it's fluffy, but I don't know, maybe my edges are a little crunchy in this one, so maybe I left it in too long, but I think it's good. I think it would be cooler if it was like a flavor in there. Like it's really not a flavor, it's just, I don't even know how to describe that. It tastes like a normal cake, I guess. So I'm gonna try it with a little Jelly Belly. So now that I've tried it with the Jelly Belly, I feel like the candy on top helps a lot. It made it taste a lot better. It really just gave it that extra sweetness that I was looking for. So that's cool. So yeah, you can use whatever candy you're gonna use with your cupcakes if you ever make these. I think they're fun to do for like a kid's party or any kind of like fun get together. I think kids would really like this though because it just looks so colorful and tiny and fun. Yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you liked it and leave a comment of your favorite Jelly Belly. And I will see you next time.